Welcome to our channel. In this video, we should learn the computation of arithmetic mean of a discrete series under different methods. So let's start. Our given series is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 and their respective frequencies are 6, 4, 8, 3 and 9. Here we should compute the arithmetic mean of the given discrete series by using different methods. That means we should find out arithmetic mean of the given series under direct method and shortcut method and step deviation method. So first we should compute the arithmetic mean of the given discrete series by using direct method. So for the purpose of direct method, we should find out fx, that is x into f. So our values of fx are 10 into 6, that is 60, 20 into 4, 80, 30 into 8, that is 240, 40 into 3, 120, 50 into 9, 450. So now we should find out summation of fx. So summation of fx is 60 plus 80 plus 240 plus 120 plus 450 equals to 950, and our total frequency, that is n equals to 6 plus 4, 10 plus 8, 18 plus 3, 21 plus 9, that is our 30. So the arithmetic mean of the given discrete series under direct method can be computed by using the rules, that is arithmetic mean equals to summation of fx divided by n. So now putting the values of summation of fx, that is 950 divided by n, that is 30. So our arithmetic mean should be 950 divided by 30 equals to 31.66. Now come to our shortcut method. So for the purpose of computing arithmetic mean of the given discrete series under shortcut method, we should find out deviation or the d of the given series. So our d should be computed by differentiating the variables from the assumed mean. So let's take an assumed mean of the given series is our 30. So our deviation should be x minus 30, that is 10 minus 30 equals to minus 20, 20 minus 30 equals to minus 10, 30 minus 30 0, 40 minus 30 10, 50 minus 30, that is our 20. So now find out fd, that is f into deviation. So 6 into minus 20 minus 120, 4 into minus 10 minus 40, 8 into 0 0, 3 into 10 30, 9 into 20, that is 180. So now find out summation of fd, that is here plus minus should be cancelled. So minus 120 minus 40 minus 160 minus 180 that is 20 plus 30 is our 50. So now we should apply the rules of the arithmetic mean under shortcut method, that is arithmetic mean or x bar equals to a plus summation fd by n. So now putting the values, that is a is here 30 plus summation of fd, that is 50 divided by n, that is 30. So our arithmetic mean should be 30 plus 50 by 30 equals to 1.66, that is 31.66, or we may write it as 31.67. Now come to our step deviation method. Under step deviation method, we should find out d dash of the given series for computing arithmetic mean. So for this purpose, we should find out d dash of the given series by dividing the d with a common factor. Here our common factor of the given series is 10. So our d dash should be d divided by 10, that is minus 20 by 10 minus 2, minus 10 by 10 minus 1, 0 by 10 0, 10 by 10 1, 20 by 10 2. So now find out f d dash by multiplying the frequency with the d dash, that is 6 into minus 2 minus 12, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, 8 into 0 0, 3 into 1 3, 9 into 2 18. So now find out summation of f d dash, that is similarly plus minus should be cancelled here, minus 12 minus 4 minus 16 minus 18, that is 2 plus 3 is our 5. So the arithmetic mean under step deviation method should be computed by using the rules, that is arithmetic mean equals to a plus summation of f d dash divided by n into I. So by putting the values, that is 30 plus f d dash is 5 divided by n, that is 30 into I, here is 10. So our value should be 30 plus 0 0 cancel, 5 by 3, that is 30 plus 1.666, that is 31.66 or 67. So the value of our arithmetic mean of the given series under direct method and under shortcut method and step deviation method should be 31.67. So these are all about our computation of arithmetic mean of a discrete series under different methods. So repeatedly watch this video to clear your doubts regarding computation of arithmetic mean of a discrete series, and share it with all your friends in order to give them opportunity to enhance their knowledge on computation of arithmetic mean of a discrete series. Thank you.